Yes, this is about animals. So today we're going to talk about dogs, right? This is Puka. She's about 7 pounds. I thought to myself just the other day as we decided to do these articles, we decided to see what could we do about these cute little dogs, right? Hey, get back here. So Puka is about 7 pounds, and as I started thinking about the water test results that the EPA sets, the EPA for humans sets the standard for a man that weighs 180 pounds. And so normally in a day-to-day conversation that I'll have with customers, we'll mention to them that, they don't really set a standard for children or anyone that weighs less. So I started putting two and two together. Boy, what about small animals, right? What level of contamination can they handle? These little guys, what do? They drink water to cool themselves. Look at her, she's got a fur coat on. Think about how hot it is, especially right now. On top of having a fur coat, it's 90 degrees out, it's humid. So what is she doing? She's got to drink more water. And boy, if within 4 minutes of drinking water, we become water, or within, as I've said, you've heard me say it before, 4 hours of eating a banana, we become that banana. Boy, I started thinking about this poor little dog. What are the levels of contaminants she's drinking? So it's really a question to you because there is no study that's been done on animals and how much contaminants they can take as far as drinking our water, but it's worth maybe having that discussion with your family. And if you do want to get out the contaminants of the water, you can call Puka. No, you can actually call us at any time. You can reach us at 847-382-7800 or visit us on the web at angelwater.com. I hope what I've done today has inspired you to think a little bit about your animal. Have a great day.